Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a showdown between two Canon mirrorless cameras, the EOS R10 and the EOS R100. Let's kick things off with the price. The EOS R10 is priced at $1,379, which some reviewers feel is justified due to its advanced features and performance. On the other hand, the EOS R100 comes in at a more budget-friendly $829. Many users appreciate this lower price point, especially beginners looking for a solid camera without breaking the bank. Moving on to image quality, the R10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC-X image processor, leading to fantastic image quality that many reviewers rave about, especially for automotive and wildlife photography. The R100, with its 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor and DIGIC-8 processor, still delivers great images, but some feel it lacks the brilliance of the R10 in more demanding scenarios. Users praise the R100 for family photos, making it a great choice for casual use. Next up is autofocus. Reviewers love the R10 for its advanced subject detection technology, which makes capturing fast-moving subjects a breeze. The R100 also has dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering 143 zones, but some users have reported frustrations with its autofocus performance, especially in challenging conditions. However, it is still considered effective for beginners and casual photographers. For continuous shooting speed, the R10 shines with its ability to shoot up to 15 frames per second, making it a favorite for action shots among reviewers. In contrast, the R100 can manage 6.5 frames per second, adequate for everyday photography, but not quite as impressive for fast-paced environments. Many users find the R100 sufficient for family gatherings and casual outings. Finally, let's discuss portability. The R10 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on your adventures. However, the R100 is even smaller and lighter, perfect for travel enthusiasts who want something that fits in their pocket. Reviewers appreciate the R100's portability, especially those who want a camera for family outings or vacations without the bulk. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is praised for its advanced features and image quality, making it suitable for serious photographers. However, some users note its shorter battery life. In comparison, the EOS R100 is highly regarded for its affordability and ease of use, particularly for beginners, though it has some autofocus and battery life concerns. So which camera reigns supreme? If you want top-notch features and don't mind spending a little extra, the EOS R10 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want to capture great moments, the EOS R100 is calling your name. Either way, you can't go wrong. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd choose and why. Remember, product links are in the description.